Good morning. Today we are going to study second method for balancing of redox reaction. So the name of the second method is ion electron method or half reaction method, both are same. So ion electron method. So what are the points in that one? First point is given that in ion electron method split the redox reaction into oxidation and reduction. Split the redox reaction into oxidation and reduction. Means whatever equation is given to you, you write in two different equations. One is oxidation, another one is reduction. The second point, balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. Balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. It means apart from the hydrogen and oxygen, you balance all the atoms. Third point, that in neutral and acidic medium, in third A, in neutral and acidic medium, in neutral and acidic medium, balance oxygen by adding H2O and balance hydrogen by adding H plus if it is acidic or neutral medium. And the B point in basic medium, balance oxygen by adding hydroxyl and balance oxygen by adding hydroxyl and balance hydrogen by adding H2O and other side add hydroxyl ion. Means whatever the hydrogen atom you are adding, same number of hydroxyl ion on the other side. And the fourth point, balance charge by adding electron. Balance charge by adding electrons. Then at the last, add both the equation and remove electron. Add both the equations and remove electrons. The number of electrons must be same. If the number of electrons are different in both the equation, then you will use some number. By that you will multiply, and the number of electrons The meaning is that whatever the reaction is given to you, just you see where oxidation and where reduction takes place. So that reaction you split in two parts. One is oxidation and the other one is reduction. Then balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. Apart from the hydrogen and oxygen, balance all the atoms. Then in neutral or acidic medium, balance oxygen by adding H2O and balance hydrogen by adding H+. In basic medium, balance oxygen by adding hydroxyl ion and balance hydrogen by adding H2O and other side OH. Then balance charge by adding electron and add both the equation at the last and then remove the electron. How to remove the electron? Both the electron must be equal. So by multiplying some coefficient. So these rules if you wrote on your copy. And now I am going to give you some examples by the use of this method how to balance the equation. So first example that is given in your book, example 8.8, I am going to take here and I will show you how to balance. So this you write in your copy and then learn it. It is easy to balance. If any equation is redox, so the method is applicable. If the equation is not a redox, then this method is not applicable. This you keep in your mind. If the method is applicable when the equation is redox. So first that is given Cr2O7 2 minus, then oxalate C2O4 2 minus, then H plus, it will give Cr3 plus, then CO2 and H2. CO2 and H2. If you are thinking how can you know whether the reaction is acidic or basic medium, it is very simple. If the reaction H plus ion is given, it is acidic. If hydroxyl ion is given basic, so in this equation H plus ion is written, it means it is in acidic medium. Acidic medium. So you have to apply the rule what you studied for acidic medium. So the first one is given that split the equation in two equations, oxidation and reduction. So I am going to split this Cr2O7 that will give Cr3 plus and this C2O4 2 minus, it will give CO2. Rest of the atom you can leave because they are useless. Water and H plus ion they will come in the equation. So the equation is split in two equations, oxidation and reduction. This one is plus 6, this one is reduction, that one is oxidation. Now, balance all the atoms. Balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. By writing if you do it is easy. So just to see chromium here 2, they are 1 only. So you can multiply it by 2. So this chromium 2 Cr3 plus. Carbon here 2, that side 1 only. So you can multiply it by 2. So that will give 2 CO2. Now this carbon and chromium are balanced. Since it is given in acidic medium, then balance oxygen by adding H2. Balance oxygen by adding H2O and hydrogen by adding H plus. So both the steps we can do together. Just you see here in this side 7, oxygen there no. So you can write here Cr2O7 2 minus, it gives 2 Cr3 plus 7 molecule of water. In this one, 4 oxygen, 4 is already balanced. Then C2O4, 2 minus, it gives. Now hydrogen, just to see that one more hydrogen atom. Here 14 hydrogen. So here we can take 14 H plus. Now hydrogen oxygen balance. Now last point, charge. Balance charge by adding electrons. So just to calculate the charge here, minus 2 plus 14 plus 12. Here 3 to the 6 plus 6. And here plus 12, there plus 6. Then 6 electrons you can add here. Cr2O7 plus 14H plus 6 electron. It will give 2 Cr3 plus 7H2. In that one just to charge minus 2, there 0. So that side you add 2 electron. Because 1 electron carries 1 negative charge. So 2 CO2, 2 electron. Now charges are balanced. We have to add both the equation. Then we have to remove the electron. So both the equation you can write together. One is above, another one is below. And just to see how many electrons are there. Both the electrons to make it common. So this Cr2O7 plus 14H plus 6 electron, it gives 2 Cr3 plus 7H2. Now the second equation you can take that C2O4 2 minus, it gives 2 CO2 plus 2 electron. So in this one just to see 6 electrons are added, but in that one 2 electrons are removed. So how we can make it equal? You can multiply this equation by 3. So 3 to the 6. Now you can add both the equations. So this 6 electron will be cancelled. Now Cr2O7 2 minus, it is multiplied by 3. Then 3 C2O4 2 minus 14 H plus, it will give 2 Cr3 plus 3 to the 6 CO2 and 7H2. Now this is the balanced one. You can check it. The charge must be balanced if it is correct. So just to see how many charges you are getting here. 3 to the 6 and minus 2. Minus 2 minus 6 plus 14. How much you will get? That 8 plus 6 you will get here. That side you can count it 3 to the 6. So charges are balanced and this equation is correct. So by this way you can balance the equation. So this we have taken acidic medium. Another one I am going to take in basic medium. So another example we will take in basic medium. The rules you have to learn it. If you keep the rules in your mind, you can balance it very easily. So now the second equation, second example, CrO3 OH4 thrice, then IO3 negative, it gives CrO4 2 minus, then I negative. So this one is given basic medium. what we studied in basic medium. So first of all, split the equation in two redox reactions. Two reaction, oxidation and reduction. So this CrOH whole thrice, that will give CrO4 2 minus iO3 negative, that will give I negative. Then first point, balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. So just you see, chromium 1, iodine, this one is already balanced. It is in basic medium, so balance oxygen by adding hydroxyl. So just to see oxygen here, 3 oxygen, there are only 4. Then 1 hydroxyl ion you can add here. So this side 1 hydroxyl ion, that side, in that one just to see oxygen 3, there no, so you can add 3 hydroxyl ion. So 3 hydroxyl. Now balance hydrogen by adding H2O, another side OH minus. So balance hydrogen by adding H2O, and other side add hydroxyl. Means just to see how many hydrogen atoms are less, that many number of water molecule you can add, and other side same number of hydroxyl. So just to count here, hydrogen atom 3, 1, 4. That side no. So that side you add 4 water molecule, and here you add 4 OH. So this CrOH whole thrice OH, we will add CrO4 2 minus hydrogen 3 here. So 3, 1, 4. So you can add here 4 H2. Then you will add it. Since you have added 4 H2O, so you will add here 4 OH. So this one is already there, it will become 5. In that one, hydrogen 3. Then you add 3 H2O and 3 OH that side. So iO negative 3 H2O, this will give, and 3 OH we can add, this will become 6 OH. Now next one is balance charge by adding electron. Balance charge by adding electrons. Next one is, next step, that balance charge by adding electron. Balance charge by adding electrons. So just to see how many charges are there, count it. This Cr2 minus is there. So charges just to count here, minus 5, there minus 2. So here that side you can add 3 electrons. So electron is having 1 negative. So 3 and plus 2 minus 5. So CrOH whole thrice 5 OH negative, that will give CrO4 2 negative 4 H2O. So here minus 5 minus 2, so 3 electrons. Then that one just to count, how many? That minus 7, here minus 1. So this side you can add 6 electrons. plus 6 OH minus. Now we can add both the equation. Then we have to remove the common electrons. So how we can make the electron common? We can multiply such a number. So electron must be common. So any coefficient we can take here, just to see, in the first one 3, here 6. So first you can multiply by 2. So when you multiply by 2, then 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6. Now it is cancelled. So just to see, 2 CrOH whole thrice, then IO negative, then 3H2O, and this one is 10 OH negative. That will give 2 CrO4, 2 negative, I negative, then 4 to the 8 H2O, and then 6 OH minus. Now just to see, water here 3, there 3. So you can take that side, and hydroxyl here 10, that side 6 only. So that you can take this, just like the mathematics. So 2 Cr3 whole thrice IO negative, 3H2O will go that side, and 6 OH will come here, then 4 OH negative. This will give 2 Cr4 I negative, then 5 H2O, and yes, now balanced, because 3 H2O and 8 minus 3 5 that side only, and 6 OH will come here, then 10 minus 6. Now you can see whether this equation is balanced. Just to count the charges. If your equation is balanced, charges must be balanced. So how many charges you are getting here? Minus 1 and minus 4, minus 5. That side you see 2 to the 4, minus 1, minus 1. So here minus 1. So it is balanced. So this you have seen in basic reading. Now one more example we can take. That example 8.10 balance the following equations proceeding in basic medium. So basic medium again one more is given. So now we can do. And after this, in your review exercise, some questions are there. You can solve it. And if you face any difficulty, you can ask to me. Since you are coming to the school, the problem is not there. Just from the video you study this one balancing. In school you can ask the doubts. So next one is given. This MnO4 minus 2 minus is there. MnO4 2 minus H2O, and this MnO4 minus, then MnO2 and OH. Already OH is given, it means basic medium. So here just to see Mn here plus 3 is there, and there plus 4 is there, and in this Mn that plus 6 is there. X minus 8 is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to plus 6. So just to see, same substance is reduced. Mn plus 6 to here just to console. This one is x minus 8 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 7. So this is plus 7, not plus 7. So this Mn plus 6 to plus 7 oxidation, and Mn plus 6 to plus 4 reduction. It means same substance is oxidized and reduced. So we have to take this one in our equation. So By this way, if such situation is coming in equation, so that you can write 2 times. It is up to you. You can write any times, but here we need 2 times because one we compare with this one and one we compare with that. So now this equation is split into 2 equations, oxidation and reduction. Now we can proceed. So balance all the atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. So already Mn1, 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 Mn1. That is balanced. Then, since it is basic medium is given, balance oxygen. Balance oxygen by adding hydroxyl. So just to see here, 4 oxygen already balanced. Here 4, that side 2 only. So this we can write here. MnO4 2 minus, it gives MnO4 minus, and MnO4 2 minus, it gives MnO2 and 2s2. Sorry, OH right? Basically in here. So here 4 oxygen, so 2. Now balance hydrogen by adding S2O and other side OH. Balance hydrogen by adding S2O and other side OH negative. Means wherever the deficiency of hydrogen is there, that way number of water molecule. So in this one hydrogen is not there, so directly we can write here, no problem. Here no hydrogen is there, and in that one hydrogen 2 are there, but here no one is there. Then you write here 2s2O and that side 2 OH. So MnO4 2s2O and that side you can write 2 OH, then this will become 4 OH. Now next one is balance charge by adding electron. So next step is balance charge by adding electron. Balance charge by adding electron. Next step is balance charge by adding electron. So just to see the charge here, in this one -2 is there. That side -1. So 1 electron you can take. So MnO4 2 minus, it gives MnO4 minus 1 electron. Here -2 and -4. So this side you can write 2 electrons. So MnO4 2 minus plus 2s2O plus 2 electron. This will give MnO2 plus 4 OH. Now we have to remove the electron. So this one 2 electron, that one 1 only. So multiplied by 2. Now you can add both the equations. So 2 electrons will be removed. Now 2 MnO4 2 negative and 1 here. So this will become 3. Then 2s2O, that will give 2 MnO4 negative, MnO2 and React hand side, there -4 and -4, -4. So this one is balanced. So this you have seen, one equation I have given you in acidic medium and two in basic medium. So this in the review exercise, this question is given that balance the following equation by ion electron method. So this question 8.14. Question 8.14. You can solve it from the review exercise that is given on page number 542. So this you can solve it, and if you are facing difficulty since you are coming to the school, so you can ask to me. I will clear your